Alright, I got a 2010 Toyota Corolla here with my cousin's car. He broke down. I'm gonna replace his alternator. First step you need to do is disconnect the battery terminal. So I took off just the negative side. See here, you have this cap that you need to pry off with a flat screwdriver. Just take your flat head and pry it out like that. It should come right off. And then you have a 10mm nut right here. Go ahead and take this out. And then you get a wiring harness right here. You push on this tab right here, and then you pull it out. Okay. You go down here. See, you have that harness connected to the alternator. It's just a 10mm bolt, so just go ahead and take that off too. Actually, let me see. We can just disconnect this little clip right here. So we just push that tab up, and it should slide right out like that. Go ahead and tuck in your wiring harness to the side so it's not in the way. Now we have a 12mm bolt right here. So take that 12mm bolt off, and at the bottom right here you have, I think that's a 13. No, it's a 14. So you got a 14mm bolt, and you got a 12mm, and this one right here is to adjust the tension in the belt. Let's go ahead and take this lower bolt all the way out. So I'm using a short ratchet, so I got room for me to keep loosening it like that. Go ahead and take it all the way out. Okay, so I got the top bolt off, the 12mm bolt, which is this. So once you take that bolt off, you're gonna see the whole alternator will move side to side like that. Then we can go ahead and pull out the lower bolt. Okay, now what we're gonna need to do is it's gonna be a little bit stuck at the bottom. So we can go ahead and take the belt off. You don't have to take it out all the way, just try to keep it at the same spot like that. See if it'll come out. If not, we're gonna have to pry it out with a screwdriver. Need some help? Yeah, hold that. There it is. I think we're gonna have to remove that bracket too. So let's go ahead and take this bracket out. A 12. That's it. We got our alternator out. Now to put the new one in, same process, just a reverse order. If your belt comes off all the way out, just look up the belt diagram on Google. It'll show you what it looks like, so you can have a reference of how the belt routing looks like. And that's it. If this video helped you, click on that subscribe button. If you got any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching.